in the research looks a certain way. The faults of the overexpression of the feminine are contempt and criticism.
Mm.
Those are the two horsemen of the apocalypse there. The major fault line of the masculine that's over masculinized is defensiveness and stonewalling. So you can see how they match. Like, did Jennifer have contempt for me out of her just her own self? Highly unlikely. Who did it first? Did I stonewall her first, or did she have contempt for me first? And
Mm.
those are the large expressions of, was I defensive first or was she critical first? You
Mm.
know what I mean?
Yeah.
And when we're talking about authentic love, who cares? Like, I need to change my whole thing. Like, it doesn't matter if I somehow had some what I would call false impression that she started it or something.
Right.
That's just ego speaking, right? And then also Gottman, the research from that institute doesn't let us off the hook because we all have all four of the horsemen of the apocalypse.